Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. The World Travel and Tourism Council WTTC has unveiled the second phase of measures to rebuild global consumer confidence to encourage the return of traveling. The council says the latest protocols are designed to enable tour operators and convention centers to thrive again. WTTC says detailed discussions took place with key stakeholders and organizations to ensure maximum buy-in, alignment, and practical implementation. The discussions were also done to set clear expectations of what travelers may expect or experience under the new normal. The council says these meetings were necessary to build trust and provide reassurance that airports and airlines will offer safe environments to fly once travel restrictions are relaxed. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $143.48. The Canadian dollar is going for $104.95. The pound is going for $179.08, while the euro closed at $161.12. The JSE index gained 3,762 points today, and the junior market index is up by 4 points. Among the winners were JMMB Group 7.25% preference shares, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Jetcon Corporation, Wigton Wind Farm, and Express Catering. Now on the losing side were ISP Finance Services, Kingston Properties, 1834 Investments, Palace Amusement, and Everything Fresh. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.